Hey guys, I'm Brooke. Today we're going to be the. Today we're going to do the what's it called again? The sneeze challenge. Okay, so basically, she's gonna tell you the instructions what we're gonna do.
What?
So, yes, I told you you were gonna do that. Okay, go.
Okay, so we're gonna just tear a piece of.
I don't really know how to do this because she just told me, and we've been doing challenges. Yesterday we done the laughing challenge. It didn't work out too good.
So you just tear a piece of napkin off, and you roll it up into a tiny piece, and you stick it up your nose, and you gotta try to sneeze with your eyes open. So we're gonna see if we can do that.
So I got my piece, and you roll it
You know
up.
you're gonna need more of that, right?
Well, I'll get it if I need it.
Okay. I've did this before, so.
With who?
With myself.
Oh God.
But I sure wasn't going to post it on YouTube.
Because you didn't have an account.
Yeah, I do.
Sure.
I do have an account.
Sure.
You want to see? I'll give you my phone.
I think I'm sitting on my phone.
Yes,
Oh,
you
where
are.
did my...
Your other phone.
Oh, duh, we're recording with it. Okay. I'm not done yet. Peace.
Tiny. You gotta stick it as far as up your nose.
Oh, gosh.
Oh.
I'm not sticking mine far up there. Okay, you ready? It tickles. It tickles. Oh, gosh. There's a flower up there. Okay. No, I'm not your sneeze. Hang on. Let me try the other nostril. Oh gosh. It tickles so bad.
Crying. Oh
my gosh.
We should do this with the laughing challenge. I need a new one. Oh man.
It looks like I'm sitting here picking my nose.
You're picking your nose on YouTube.
No, no.
Oh man. You will
I don't
laugh
think we're
at
gonna
it.
sneeze.
I did it last time and I sneezed my head off.
I'm done. I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
Well, let me get a bigger piece then.
That's what I'm doing. Make it skinnier.
Like the biome.
That wasn't ba-bam, but okay.
Biome. Well, I said the bam, so.
Ow, that was my sunburn. There was this mosquito. It was sick on my leg. It was.
Oh, there's a mosquito on me too. I said on me too. I'm like a British person talking or something.
I'm gonna do another video after this, right?
Huh?
Figure out another video to do after
I
this.
guess we can figure out another video to do. Okay.
So, I'm not ready.
Well, I'm gonna go before you did. Mine is huge. Look at this. I mean, it don't look huge from here because we're like way back here, but
It'll make you
it's big.
sneeze.
It's big. Okay.
You will
ready?
cry if you do this.
I'm not gonna cry. I don't cry. Okay.
It'll make you laugh your head off. Make you stink.
Oh gosh. Oh my God. We're on a hill right now, so.
Oh man.
She's dead.
Oh. awkward. I just fell out of my chair.
I think everybody knows that. Okay.
It kind of hurt.
Oh, by the way, we're called the Kyra Brooke channel, but I think I'm gonna change that because Kyra is really not my friend anymore. So
I turned into a new best friend.
no, I'm just kidding. She's still my friend.
Are you gonna add me on it? Because I've been doing your channel
I
too.
know, because I haven't been with her
My
all
nose
this
hurts
summer.
now.
I mean, it's only like been 3 weeks of summer, so. Okay.
We're gonna do so many videos over this summer.
Be like, these mosquitoes are eating me up.
My nose are making. That hurt.
Okay.
My sunburn.
I don't get how people sneeze. I'm not sneezing.
Almost sneezed. I'm singing it.
You said.
Oh my nose. Stick it in far back.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Look at little baby. I'll get it for you. I'll get it. You're gonna make me fall. They're stickers.
You should see how it feels.
Oh God. Oh yeah. The first challenge that we attempted to do was the water challenge. You have to drink a bottle of water, and yeah, that didn't work out too good.
So we didn't post that.
No, it didn't work out too good.
Are you done with this?
Huh?
Are you done with this?
I'm done. We're
I'm done.
cutting the
We're
video
done.
off.
Remember, if you're in the UK, comment below.
Hang on. Let me cut you off for a minute. I mean, pause it. So, subscribe or I'll eat your fries.